Hello and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be making Makgeolli Mustard. The reason why I haven't been doing any actual brewing type videos is I sustained an injury in which my doctor doesn't want me lifting any more than about 2-3 pounds. And a fermenter full of brewing goodness weighs way more than that. So kind of just improvising. My justification for this video is I am using makgeolli that I brewed myself in the making of the mustard. Pretty much what you're going to need is a mason jar with a good lid that has been cleaned, sanitized, makgeolli, white vinegar, and mustard seeds. Mustard seeds, yum. And I'm using a half tablespoon of a mixture of garlic, onions, and parsley. So, what we're going to start off with is we got 1 cup of mustard seeds. Basically, I'm going to transfer for this bowl into this 1 cup container. A little bit more than 1 cup, just a hair more than 1 cup, but then we're going to take our makgeolli, we're going to shake our makgeolli and mix it back together. Mix it. We're going to need 1 cup of makgeolli. A little carbonated there. And we're going to pour 1 cup, a little bit more than 1 cup of our makgeolli. Actually, before we pour our makgeolli, we're going to go ahead and add in our garlic and onion and parsley mixture. Then we're going to pour in our makgeolli, 1 cup. Then we are going to pour in 1 cup white vinegar. And we're going to need salt. And I forgot the salt. And I am going to have to go get the salt. So I will be back in a flash. Not really a flash. I'll be back in an edit. How's that? Okay, we are back with our salt. You can use just about any kind of salt that you want as long as it doesn't have iodine in it. Iodine is going to kill, the process is going to kill the microbes and the bacteria and the yeasts that we need for this to move forward. What I am going to be using is a mixture of Himalayan salts, French gray salts, and Pacific salt. It's a flavor thing. You don't have to use it. You can use kosher salt. You can use sea salt. You use whatever blows your hair back, as long as it doesn't have iodine in it. We're going to be putting 1/2 teaspoon in. All I have here is a 1/4 teaspoon, so we will be putting two of these in. There we go. What I like to do, you don't have to do this, So I like putting the lid on, give it a bit of shake. Get everything stirred around real good. Then we're going to let this sit for 24 hours, and we're going to let it cure or ferment. Like, it's actually a bit of a lacto fermentation going on. Plus, your mustard seeds are going to suck in almost all of this liquid. For upscaling and downscaling this recipe, remember, you have to have twice the amount of liquid as you do seeds. So if you have a half cup of seeds, you need 1 cup of liquid. If you have a full cup of seeds like I had, actually I had a little bit more, you need 2 cups of liquid. I've made this recipe just using straight alcohol like beer or wine. I prefer the vinegar taste in the mustard. And this is the first time I've used an alcohol other than white wine or beer. And I think this is the first time I've ever made it with something that I homebrewed. So we are going to see tomorrow, 24 hours period. We're going to set this up, nice warm place, 24 hours. We'll come back, we'll grind everything up to consistency, and we'll see what we got. So until tomorrow, or whenever I get the next video, whenever I get a chance to post the next video. So right now we're looking at mustard makgeolli. Peace. Or Makgeolli Mustard. Excuse me on that one. Peace, love, and better brewing.